Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add magnet holes in Bambu Studio. Now in my case I'm going to be using this very simple shape, so it's going to be our cube. And basically from here you just want to click on the object that you want to add your magnet holes with. Right click on it, click on add negative part, and we could simply just add a cylinder. Now from here you could of course place your hole to wherever you want to. But in my case, I'm simply going to be placing it this way. And basically right after placing your hole to wherever you want to add our magnet hole, you just want to click on the slice plate option, which will then look something like this. And basically right beside that, we then have the printing process. So you just want to navigate through the part where it actually starts building the cutout for our magnet. And from here, you just want to right click on the progress bar, click on add pause, place your magnet along the way while it's printing, because basically it will pause right here. And then we could continue our printing. And basically from there, it will then close out the magnet permanently, allowing us to put magnet onto our objects or models. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.